Hi, this is Jacob with Jacob's Roofing. I'm just going to point out one of the most common things I see on roof replacements. They put down new shingles, but all of the gas exhaust vent pipe flashing is still old and rusted. This is a brand new shingle with a 20-year-old vent pipe flashing. It's just going to start leaking. Another thing they did on this roof, anywhere they tied in the roof against either fascia or a exterior wall, they didn't put any flashing. So you just brought the shingles up to the edge and put a bead of caulking, which you can see cracks after about 2 or 3 years. And so that'll start leaking. If you'll notice on this roof, there's no ventilation. There's small gable vents on the ends of this roof, but they're very small. So this roof's gonna start heat blistering, and then finally, these shingles were put or installed over the top of other shingles, which is wrong. It completely voids the warranty and will wear out these outer layer of shingles much faster. Be careful who you hire. This is Jacob with Jacob's Roofing.